Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best in-depth reviews of top-notch products. And today, we've got something special in store for all you car enthusiasts out there. Introducing the Carfident Scratch and Swirl Remover Kit, the ultimate solution to those annoying scratches and swirls on your beloved car's paint. Now, I've been testing this product out, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's take a look at what this kit has to offer. It comes with everything you need: a bottle of the scratch remover, a foam pad, and a microfiber towel. So, no need to buy extra tools or accessories. Now, what makes this Carfident Scratch and Swirl Remover Kit stand out from the crowd? Well, for starters, it's incredibly easy to use. Whether you're a seasoned detailer or a newbie, you'll have no trouble with this kit. I put this kit to the test on some scratches and swirls on my own car, and the results were impressive. The scratches were significantly reduced, and the paint looked refreshed and glossy. It's like giving your car a spa day. One thing I appreciate about Carfident is their commitment to quality. This product is safe to use on all paint types and colors: clear coat, single stage, or multi-stage. Plus, it's made right here in the USA. I have to admit, I was skeptical at first, but this product exceeded my expectations. It's a cost-effective solution to keep your car looking its best without breaking the bank. So, if you're tired of looking at those unsightly scratches and swirls on your car's paint, I highly recommend giving the Carfident Scratch and Swirl Remover Kit a try. You won't be disappointed. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more awesome reviews, and click the notification bell so you never miss a great product like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep those cars shining.